Meaning of firmness.
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 Firmness. Firmness refers to the quality of being stable, strong, and unyielding. It implies a certain level of steadfastness and resoluteness in one's actions and decisions. People who possess firmness typically demonstrate a high degree of determination and the ability to stay focused on their goals. They are less likely to be swayed by external pressures or distractions. In short, firmness is a desirable attribute that can help individuals achieve success and overcome obstacles with confidence and resolve.